Select your friends wisely. Who are the people you can trust? Can this person be my friend? Yes. Select, choose. Don't let everyone into your life. Why? Because you are what your friend is. It's a representation of who you are. Why did you choose this person? Why do you like to hang around with this person? It's something within you that is attracted to this person. And the Prophet summarized it when he said, Al-mar'u, the person is upon what? Ala dini khalili, you're of the religion of your friend. فَلْيَنْظُرْ, look. This look is not just see it. It means think. Is 𝗪ة اعتبار. Select, handpick, choose the person you want to be your friend. Don't just let anybody into your life. Why, my brothers and sisters? Because we are, as the Prophet, he said, we are مَدَنِيٌّ بِالطَّبْعِ. We as humans, we copy each other. If you look at who you are today, you're an amalgamation of so many different things that have come together. Things that you've taken from your mom, things that you've taken from your dad, things that you've taken from your siblings, things that you've taken from your neighbors, the people that you play football with. You've taken all of that from them and it shaped who you are. True or false? So when you choose this person, he's going to affect the way you think. He's going to affect the way you talk. It's going to affect the way you carry yourself. It's going to affect the way you respond to things. And I'm sure all of you here will admit to that you've met people who have amazed you and you thought, wow, this individual, subhanallah, just being with them has touched my heart. Huh? Amazed with the way that they carry themselves. Huh? And then choosing your friends wisely.